About the
Learning about solar system.
about the solar system.
Good
Yes.
afternoon, ma'am.
And we learned that the around the sun, the movement of the planets, that system is called as
Planetary system.
planetary.
Planetary
And what else we learned in the last class?
Galaxy. About galaxy.
Galaxy. Then what did we learn about universe?
Yes.
Then
Asteroids.
Asteroids.
asteroids and asteroid belt. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So children, these all things we learned in the last class.
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
which number is our planet from sun?
Three.
Third one.
Third.
Okay. As it is third, it is having light and heat enough, isn't it?
Yes.
The right measure of light and heat the earth is getting, isn't it?
Yes.
We cannot stand under the sun. Is it that hot?
Yes.
And
No.
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 Yes. And also the light is also okay, isn't it? Right amount of light you get. Yes?
Yes.
But if it is Mercury or Venus, what happens?
It will become egg.
Yes,
It will become egg.
and Venus is the hottest one. But even
Good
though,
afternoon, ma'am.
listen carefully, even
Good
though
afternoon,
Mercury
finish.
is the nearest planet to the sun, right? Venus is told as the hottest one.
Yeah.
Because it has 360 degrees Celsius.
Is closer to sun.
Because children, listen here. Venus is having an atmosphere, like Earth also is having atmosphere, isn't it?
What is this atmosphere?
The circle around the planet with the dust and air. With dust and air, the circle is there around the Earth. Likewise, the atmosphere of Venus is also an atmosphere for Venus also, but the gas over there or the air over there in that atmosphere sucks or it just attracts the heat much more other than the Earth. Okay, the Venus atmosphere takes lot of heat from the sun. That is why the Venus planet is very
Very hottest.
hot or is the hottest. Okay, now tell me, while you are going from the sun towards the other end, towards the last planet, what will happen then?
Cold. Will be cold. Will be cold.
It will be cold, isn't it?
Yes.
And we have in our planetary system, we have only one planet which is having living things on it, isn't it?
Alien. Alien.
What will be the reason? What will be the reason on Earth there are living things? Why the Earth is called a living planet?
Because it has humans.
There's water and
Why? Yes, Ihan. Because Earth is having water and air. In the air, especially, it is having oxygen.
So Earth is atmosphere.
So because of that, the living beings can live on Earth rather than the other
Planets.
planets. Other planets we cannot live. Why? Because there is no water and
Air. Life is
but
decreasing.
in Mars nowadays the scientists are telling they have seen the traces of water in another planet which is
Mars.
Which is
Mars.
okay.
Because when we heat we will get set. That is called water. I think like that.
What is it? Arthur, I didn't understand. What is it?
When we said we will get some water in our head. I think that is the correct. I think like that scientist is saying.
Who are you telling? Okay. So
Mars.
what happened? In the Mars, the scientists are telling there are traces of water.
What is
How do they
mean?
know that? How did they know that the Mars contains water?
Because
Anybody know that?
no, because here
So let us come to that. Children, in the olden days, how do the people check the space about the stars and all? How do they used to see that?
I think they went
Do
by
they used to go
rocket
with
only.
rocket?
Yes.
No.
Eh?
Yes. They
I
never
think
used
they
to go
went by
in
space.
the early stages. What they do? They used to
Telescope.
yes, telescope. They used telescope to watch the space
Telescope.
and to learn about the things in the space. But nowadays there are space stations and the rockets are being sent with the human beings to learn more about the
Planets.
space and the
There
galaxy.
is no
Yes,
oxygen out of the earth.
there is no oxygen, but they are taking oxygen cylinders along with them.
Yes.
Now, children, other than the humans and the rockets, what is going towards the space to learn about?
Artificial satellites.
Satellites, yes. The artificial satellites are sent by the human beings. Very good. Who said that?
Shivashankaran. I
Very
think
good,
he's
Shiva.
going to be scientist no.
Good.
Astronaut and looking at the TV and telling to us. That's why he'll tell it.
Whatsoever he understood that, isn't it? He remembers all those. That is a great thing. Everybody is knowing the things like that.
But not in second grade.
Uh-huh.
Now I am learning about.
Okay, okay, enough. So what happens? The satellites are sent to the space to learn. It is having the camera also, isn't it? So to record the things, it is having its own instruments, and by that we are understanding what is happening in the space. That are artificial satellites, isn't it?
Artificial satellites.
And the natural satellite is moon.
Moon.
We people sent in 2013, we sent an artificial satellite to learn more about Mars.
Mongolian.
Huh?
Mongolian.
Oh, great, Shiva, great. What is it?
Mangalayan.
Mangalyaan. What is it, children?
Mangalayan.
Mangalyaan. Understood? What is it? Mangal? Mangalyaan. That is a satellite sent by whom?
Us.
Us.
Us means
Looks like solar panel side like this.
Astronauts.
India. It was
Ma'am.
sent to Mars to learn about the
Ma'am,
What is
it
happening
looks
over
like
there?
solar panel like this. Here side.
Now, there is one more person from India who landed in the space.
Rakesh Sharma.
Rakesh Sharma.
Okay, that is Rakesh
Sharma.
Sharma. So, who is the first person to go to space? Children,
Rakesh
Rakesh
Sharma.
Sharma.
Sharma. Understood?
Yes.
Now, open the workbook.
I already opened my work.
Page number 12, isn't it? 12 we
No,
complete.
30.
Part 2, how many days it's been? We have started part 2. Part 1 was over long back.
History
Who
chapter.
is asking that to me?
Abigail.
Miguel.
Part 1, who takes? Our exam is part 1 is over.
So now, 11th question, isn't it? Till 10th question we completed, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So 11th one,
Ma'am, I completed the 11th one. Indian.
11th one.
Very good. Very good.
Those who have not completed, please complete it. Others, please be quiet.
Question.
What is 11th one's answer? Who was the
Indian.
first? Yeah, Rakesh Sharma became the first.
Russian or Indian to travel to space.
Rakesh is an Indian name. So
Indian, isn't it?
Indian.
He is an Indian. Circle that Indian.
Rakesh is an Indian name. So he is Indian.
No, in the textbook it is written.
Oh, I know Rakesh is an Indian name, not a Russian name.
Okay, fine. Great. Well done. Okay. Now, the 12th one.
Why is Venus the hottest
Why
planet in our
is
solar
Venus
system?
the hottest planet in our solar system? Why is it?
Because it has atmosphere.
Because of the atmosphere. Very good. The atmosphere, write like this. The. Can you see the board clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Very good.
Atmosphere
The atmo.
Atmosphere.
of Venus.
of Venus, of
Venus, V should be capital.
Venus,
Traps.
crabs,
Traps.
crabs,
Rats.
The
The
heat
the heat
heat
of
of
the sun. S capital of sun.
of
S.
the
Oh, 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 oh. Very
sun.
good.
Making it
And there is full stop.
no comma.
Comma. After sun. Making.
Making it
Make,
what? Making it what?
Hot.
making it hot.
Yes, making it the hottest. Hottest
Planet in the solar system.
planet.
Hottest.
Hottest planet.
Thus,
This question is very easy to learn.
Hottest planet. Wait, not completed. In our
Solar
Solar
system.
system.
in our solar system.
our
Push. System.
Hmm.
Finish.
Next
Sarah and me both finish.
Okay.
13th.
In the 13th one,
Read the riddle.
Arthur, read the question A of 13.
My axis is very tilted.
know.
I am the 7th planet in the solar system. Who am I? Let me check.
Who was it?
I think.
Uranus.
Oh, Uranus. I was going to say.
Uranus. Yes, Uranus.
Maybe Han is telling.
It's okay. You know the answers.
Anybody can say the answer.
Now, Shiva.
Yes,
read
ma'am.
that next one.
I was sent to study Mars in 2013 by India. Who am I? Mongolian.
Mangalia.
Urana.
Jonath, read the C. Countless.
Countless galaxies are a part of me. Who am I?
Universe.
Yes, universe.
Shivasankar, mute.
What is it?
Shivasankar is
Shiva and Arthur, please mute. Both of you. If you are in the class, no? Ha.
Solar system.
Devaj. Read the D. Question D.
We are found in large number in the sky. The sun is one of our
Kind.
kind.
We.
Who are we?
Who are we?
Planet.
Solar system.
Stars, yes.
Planet.
Planet. Sun is a planet?
No.
Somebody said planet?
No.
Very nice.
Sun is a star.
I did 14th one, dear.
Which planet is called the living planet? Write any three things which make it possible for living things to grow on this planet and not on other planets.
Okay. So you know all the points, isn't it? What is the answer? Who can tell me the answer? Raise your hand.
Water.
Earth,
Which is a living planet?
Earth.
Okay, Earth is a living planet. Why it is called as a living planet? How come the living things can grow there?
Because it has in that planet it has humans on it.
Yes. And also the heat and
Sun.
Sunlight.
By sun. Perfect and amount
heat
of.
and light. Okay. Now check out. Write in points. Okay. Earth
Okay, I inform you.
is called
Earth is called
a
a
mute living planet. And you write as a next point. Down you put a either you can put a star or a dot and write
Ma'am, I have after planet there are so many space. Can I write there?
Earth is the
The side.
no problem. Write wherever you want. I just want you to learn this. The Earth is the third planet, isn't it? Earth is the third planet. Next point. It receives what is happening there? It receives what, children? Right amount of somewhere somebody is fighting with a sibling.
No, it is in your mug.
Right amount of what?
Sunlight.
Heat and
Light.
heat and light. Children, please mute. Somewhere I can hear. Now, next one, what is it? It has plenty of what, children? What is there on the earth?
Water.
Plenty of air and water.
And air.
Plenty of water and air.
And now you write, there is no need of point. All these things are needed for living things. This is in the question. Okay, so you have to complete it like this. Living things to grow. 1 second. Sorry, 1 second. Okay. Completed?
Yes.
Yes.
Finish.
Finish.
Okay.
Finish.
Has everyone completed copying?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Just to find
Okay, okay, I'm waiting, I'm waiting.
What? Neptune. What is Galileo? One number. How many questions are there?
Only till 15th we will complete. The next page we will complete it on the next day.
Why are you not doing very less?
Okay. What is 15th one?
Which of the following heavenly bodies have humans traveled to?
To which place has
the
human
moon.
to?
The moon.
Yes, the moon, isn't it? 15th one is
Moon.
the moon.
A moon.
And the moon.
Eh? The
The moon.
The
Moon.
moon.
how is space?
Okay. That is it. I wanted you to read after this. I hope everybody completed now.
What?
Still there are?
Ma'am, after how many questions we need to complete? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only so only this much questions. There are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only
Yes,
5
enough.
pages.
There you have so many things to write. So I cannot make it complete today itself. That is right. So rest there. Now, after you read me the okay, you read me the first question which we completed today. That means the 11th one.
And who?
Are there you yourself?
Which planet is called the
11th one.
11th one? Where is 11? 11. Rakesh Sharma became the first Russian. No, Rakesh Sharma.
You only told me before that Rakesh Sharma is not Russian.
No, I told by mistakenly. I was reading the question.
Okay, carry on.
Became the first Indian became the first Indian to travel to the space. Where is what?
Okay. Now,
Indian
Niranjan, read the
astronaut.
next question and answer. Arthur, now you mute, okay?
Is
Uh,
what is
why is?
Venus the hottest planet in our solar system? The
Answer. The atmosphere of Venus traps, TRAPS, traps
the hot
of the sun.
The heat of the
The sun making it
hottest
hottest
planet.
planet in our solar system.
Yes, Sarah Thomas, will you read the same question and answer once again?
Ma'am, why is the Venus the hottest planet in our solar system? The atmosphere of Venus
Uh,
traps the heat of the sun, making it hottest planet in our solar system.
yes, Janisa, read me the question A of 13th one. Janisa,
Ma'am,
okay, please read that 13th one A.
read the clues and solve the
Riddles.
riddles. My
My axis is
axis is very little.
uh,
I am the seventh planet in the solar system. Who I am? Uranus.
Uranus. Yes. Now, Navneet, can you hear me, Navneet? Navneet, please read the next one, B.
My
I was
ma'am, which page number?
B. Question number 13, B. I am. Okay. I was sent to
Set to
study.
study. I was sent to study Mars in
And
2000.
then mute. Okay. Now continue. He lost his connection. Hello.
In
Hmm.
2013
2013. By
Indian
India. Who am I? Who is it? What is it? Mangal. What is it? Mangalyan. What is the word?
Mangalyaan.
Mangalyan. Parvana, read the next.
Countless galaxies are a part of me. Who I am. Universe.
Universe. Yes. Now. Okay. Jiva. Meenakshi, I'll come to you. Wait. Jiva, please read the next question. D.
Yes, ma'am.
D.
Which question?
Question number 13. D. Where were you listening?
Read the clues and solve the riddles.
What are you reading? Listen carefully. Where Meenakshi? Meenakshi Sumeksh. Read. Listen carefully where she is reading now.
We are found in large number in the sky. The sun is one of our kind. Who are we?
Yes.
Star.
What is it? Stars.
Star.
Yes. Now, okay, wait. Joshua, you read today. Jonath, you read today, no?
I'm Shivsundari.
Shiva, you didn't read today?
Yes. No.
Okay, then you read 14th one. Read fast, okay? No time.
Which planet is called the living planet? Write any three things which make it possible for living things to grow on this planet and not on other planets.
Hmm.
Earth is called the living planet. The Earth is the third planet.
Hmm.
It receives the lights. It
Right amount.
receives the right amount of heat and light.
Hmm.
It has plenty amount of water and air. All these things are needed for living things to grow.
Yes, good. So that is it, children.
And this
I
is
hope everybody completed copying the answers also, isn't it? Okay.
yes.
Up. Let's wind up, children.
Yes.
Yes. So thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.